To support language arts, we're going to be doing Free Rice, which is an online program that for every correct answer, they donate rice. So if you just type in Free Rice into Google, you can click on it and it comes up and it has this. Okay, so what I need everybody to do, so you're in the right area, is you're going to click on the three lines, the hamburger lines, and you're going to go to categories. And then you're going to scroll down to the place where it says English. And then we're going to do root words today. So if you click on root words, I've already done it, so therefore I already have it. If you click on root words, it will come up and it will give you a root word and you have to say what it is that you think it was. So cred, you have to put that. I've earned 10 grains of rice. Die, you have to. If you get it wrong, it's fine. It'll tell you this, you're gonna not get the grains of rice, but it will eventually come up again. So once you have 200 grains of rice over here, it needs to say 200, you need to go to the snip tool and you can snip it and you're going to, so we're going to save this as, we're going to go over here to the left-hand side and we're going to click on OneDrive. Then we're going to double click on 2223. Then we will double click on Intro to Arts and double click on Q1. We are going to go down here and we're going to call this DL1. Or if you are in 7th or 8th grade, it would be DL2 or 3. Dash 1 for Unit 1, dash 2, because this is the second one. If you would like, you can put Free Rice on here. So now you're going to click Save. Once you have saved it, you need to go back to Schoology and turn it in the week ending 8/21. If you have any questions, please let me know.